In this video, we are going to see best books on stock market for beginners. Although people who are at intermediate level can refer these books to increase their understanding about stock market. So first book we have is One Upon a Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch is an eminent American value investor as well as former fund manager. Peter Lynch advocates that only invest part of the money that you can afford to lose, and it won't have any major ramification on your daily life in foreseeable future. This book is based on art of value investing, which means that you will be able to understand what factors influence prices, what makes price go up and down. He Throughout the book he says that invest in companies, not the stock market, which means that just because there are so many companies in stock market, it doesn't mean that you just invest for sake of it. Invest in a business that you understand. We will see that in future points. The major thing that he has told everyone and warned against that, do not try to make prediction about economy. Even the greatest investor have failed. And last, rather, the most important thing is invest in what you know, which means that do not try to invest in something or some business that you are not aware of. For example, if you are a doctor, which means that a doctor can have insight into pharmaceutical sector. He will know what medicines are currently used in larger proportion as well as which medicines are supposed to come out in future. If he does bit of research and just make sure that he understand the business and then invest the money, then he can earn decent returns in future. Also, the attributes which are important to be a value investor. Value investing is not a daily, weekly, or even a monthly task. It involves a lot of patience as well as common sense, holistic and independent research. Don't rely on your friend or someone on YouTube or Google telling you that please select or invest in this stock. It is supposed to go up in future. No, do not do that. Trust in your research, and I'm sure if you do that, you are going to earn decent returns in future. First book that we saw was all about fundamental analysis, whereas this book by Steve Nison covers all the Japanese candlestick charting techniques. He has covered them in great detail and given multiple examples throughout the book. All the candlestick patterns like bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, harami, evening star, morning star, and etc. There are so many of them. He has given multiple examples for each one of them. As this book is totally based on technical analysis, it is best for people who are interested or inclined towards intraday or swing trading. As I told you, all the patterns are explained in lucid manner. More importantly, Steve Nison has also given you how to identify different types of uh, direction that a stock or index might take with combination of candlestick pattern as well as indicators. I forgot to talk about indicators. He has also explained indicators like RSI, Bollinger Band, all sorts of indicators. Though indicators uh, can be very difficult to understand and they are lagging indicator, but still he has lucidly explained everything. Now that we have seen one book each on fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Let's go one step further and enhance our technical analysis. For that, this book is the best. Master the Markets by Nison. This book is based on volume spread analysis. It tells you how volume impact the price and if you couple volume with technical analysis, in short, Japanese candlestick pattern, you can increase your profitability. He has also mentioned how smart money, that is operator who pump in crores of quantity trap retail traders. By using volume, you can negate that and you can always follow what smart money is doing. If you do that, you are going to be more profitable in the long term. He has also mentioned one startling figure. About 60 to 70% of the volume bar that you see for each candle on different time frame is from operators. So for example, if operators are coming in and pumping crores of quantity, you will see a huge candlestick along with expansion of volumes. By doing volume spread analysis, you can easily find which are the demand and supply level and you can put your trade, because demand or supply levels are used by operators to take trades, and if you follow what they are following, you are going to be profitable. There is no question about that. Fourth book is all about option. It is called Get Rich with Options by Lee Lowell. Lee Lowell has explained what is options and when to use it, how to use it in an extremely lucid manner. He has given analogies which will help you understand how option works and when to use it. He has given only 4 strategies and he strongly advocates that you only need this many strategies to successful in options. Throughout the book, you will see numerous examples of using one or combination of strategies which works across all market conditions. As you finish reading the book, you will have clear understanding of what option is and how to use different option strategies. Also, you will learn how to hedge options as well. Sometimes option trade can go haywire. If you hedge it, you can at least minimize your loss. Before proceeding to last book, I have mentioned PDF link to each and every book in description box. If you want to check them out, you can do it. The 5th book is based on futures market. It is written by Jack D. Swagger and it goes by the name of Complete Guide to Futures Market. The author has introduced concept of futures market in an extremely lucid manner. You will be able to differentiate how futures market differs from spot market and what are the factors involved. As we saw in all the other books, you will find numerous examples covering how to take futures trades over other forms like equity or option and when not to do as well. He has also outlined different techniques or strategies you can use to combine future trade along with option trade to earn multiplied returns as well as to hedge your risk.